Hey guys, and welcome to the first video of Module 6, where we are going to start optimizing our campaigns. And in this video, I will be teaching you guys how to delete products that are not profitable from your campaign. So, okay, first things first. The way that I decided to do this whole module was basically to optimize my own Google Shopping campaigns, right? So I've actually left all my stuff running for about 2 weeks now without optimizing it, and I have been losing a little bit of money because I haven't optimized it. But I figured it would be great if I can show you guys exactly how I optimize my stuff, so that when you guys start spending money, you can optimize it the same exact way. So, first things first, we're going to go into our campaign here where we have all of our products. So, our general campaign, because this is where we will be removing our products from, right? So, when we click on the campaign there, here we have all the data for the campaign, and I'm here in the last week. Oh, actually, before I go there, let me show you guys. Let me go back to here. So, we are in the shopping campaigns tab, okay? We're not in the all campaigns tab. Okay, it's showing me ad groups. I want to go to campaigns, right? So we're in the shopping campaigns tab in this campaigns tab here. So we go onto our all products campaign, and then we're going to go ahead and click on products. So now we're actually going to start deleting products that have not been profitable. So here we have all of our products with all the data as of last week, and we're actually, let's put this to last month. No. Is it this month? No. Okay, we'll leave it at last week. We'll leave it at last week and optimize this way. Okay, so the first product here is this product, price of $49.95, cost per conversion of 17. That's completely fine with me because the profit margin on this is 30. So this is very profitable. Here, 119. This product here, 34, which is fine with me because the cost is 40. Again, this isn't a great cost per purchase, right? But we will optimize that later. But just because it's not great doesn't mean that we're going to delete the product. Remember, we're just deleting products for now. Okay, so here we have this $9.99 product at $14.46, which is also profitable because we are making $15 per sale. So we'll leave that one. And I'm going to start going a little faster here. This one's profitable. And again, this is why it's very important that you guys know your numbers, because you do have to know if you're profitable or not. You see this one, $80 cost per purchase. This is still profitable for us because the margins here are $130. This one, this one's barely profitable, barely. This is a $15 item and we're getting $14.99. So we will definitely have to do something to that. This is also barely profitable, $15. Okay. Okay, this one. Okay, so this product right here. This product for us is not profitable right now. We have spent $77, so we did give it a chance. It's not profitable, so I'm going to show you guys how to delete this product, right? So we go ahead here, we copy the item ID. Okay. Copy the item ID. Let me see if I want to get another one. I mean, there's other ones, but I won't do them right now. Okay, so let's do this one. We'll do two, so you guys get the idea here. Okay, so wow, I can't believe this product isn't profitable. Wow. And again, guys, I mean, I'm going here on the fly. I'm actually optimizing my own campaign. So, wow, I really thought this was going to be a winner. But okay, let's move on. So, what you want to do is, so you can't just delete this, right? You see, there's nothing here to just delete this product. So what we have to do is go into product groups here. And here we only have one product group right now, which is the main one that we made, which is all products. So everything is in here right now. So what we're going to do is just hover here over this little plus symbol, and we're going to add a subdivision. Because what we have to do is make a subdivision with only the product that we want to take out, and then we will exclude that, right? So here, let's see here. We're going to click here on subdivide all products by. We're going to do item ID. So now here on the search bar, we paste the item ID, and here's the product that we want to take out. I'm going to go there, and it's going to put it here, right? Then we go to save without editing bids. Okay, and now you guys see here that we have two. So now this is where we have all the products, and then this is where we have that one product that we want to take out. So now how do we exclude this? So here where it says max CPC, we just want to click here on automatic, click on exclude, and click save. Now this product has been excluded from this campaign and it will no longer show. So I mean it's pretty simple. So here let's just do one more. So we go back on the products, and here's the product, you see, excluded. It's not active anymore. Oops, sorry. It's not active anymore. So let's continue here. So this product here, this one's doing good. That's good. We'll go here. Okay, so this one's doing bad. So we want to exclude this one. So again, we'll copy the ID here, the item ID. Control C. Go back into your product groups. So now we have these two product groups. So again, we want to subdivide this. Oh my God. We want to subdivide this one. So we click on the little, you don't want to do this one, right? Because this one only has one product in it. You want to always go here to where all your products are in. Add a subdivision. Here. No. By channel. It's not by product type. Okay, let's go back. It's not there. Okay, I'm sorry guys. So you actually want to click on this. Oh, sorry again. No, it's here. Okay, sorry. Okay, so the top one here where it says all products. Oh my God, that's annoying. We click on here to the edit sub. We want to edit the subdivision now. So we click on this little pencil thing or whatever you want to call it. Here's the last one that we did. So now we want to put another one. So we paste the code there. And this is the product that we want to take out. So we click on it. It just added it here. Save without editing bids. There you go. Okay, so now we have the second product here, which again, we'll just go here on automatic, exclude, and save. And now just to make sure, we can go back into the products tab. And it is excluded. Perfect. Okay guys, so I mean that's basically it. I'm actually going to go through my whole list of products now. I mean look how many products we have. I'm going to go through this whole list and start taking out products that haven't been profitable within the last week. And again, I mean this is because I haven't done this for like I think 2.5 weeks because I wanted to show you guys how I do it. But I'm gonna just go back and start deleting products that are not profitable. So just a quick recap. You want to go here, let's go back to shopping campaigns and campaigns. Okay, so you want to go into your campaign that has all the products. Okay, you want to go into the products, pick whatever time frame you guys want to optimize for. Start looking at your cost for all conversions, which guys, if you don't have this tab here, you can just go here to modify columns. I'm sorry I didn't tell you guys this before. So yeah, I actually modified my columns to tell me the cost for all my conversions. So you go here to modify columns, you go to conversions, you click on conversions, and you click on cost of all conversions, and then you click apply. Once you click apply, you should see these two here, these two columns. Okay guys? So you want to look at your cost per all conversion. If it's not profitable, again, you have to know your numbers. You have to know how much you can pay for each sale. So if it's not profitable, what you want to do is copy the item ID. You go product groups. You want to edit. Well, now we're going to edit the subdivision, but for the first one, you want to do it the first way that I showed you guys with the little plus symbol. But for all the other ones after that, you edit subdivision. You want to make sure that it has the item ID here selected. You search it, and when you find it, you just subdivide it. You put it over here. But we already did that, so we're going to cancel that. And then they should both show as excluded here And when you go into your products again, it will also show excluded. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. This is probably one of the simplest way to optimize your campaigns, is basically deleting all the losing products, right? So I'll see you guys in the next video, where we will probably, let's see, the next video, we are going to talk about negative keywords, which that one will be a little more interesting than this one. Alright guys, catch you in the next one. Bye.